Students, I am providing you the study material class 10 mathematics. Here you can see material for practice. Chapter wise, this is the introduction of the chapter. First chapter real number. Then very short answer questions are given. These are very short question answer questions. Then after each these are long type questions. Lot of material is given and after this answers are also here. So you can check this study material. After each chapter there is a short test. This is practice test for chapter 1. Then second chapter will start a polynomial introduction. Here all the topics of polynomial are covered. Here you can see all the type of questions. Again short questions, long questions, type 1, type 2, type 3 and then answers. And as I told, practice paper after each chapter is also given here. You can do this practice, you can download these. Then third chapter pair of linear equation two variables. All the topics type of questions are also here. You can see the study material. This study material will help you for final papers. So you can do this, you can download. Lot of material is given. Test is also here. Then chapter number 4 quadratic equations. Type of questions. Special type of questions are given here. Short answer questions. You can practice these questions. All the type of questions are here. Then next will come chapter number 5. These are the hints of the question answers. Then arithmetic progression. All type of questions are here. You can download these questions. Most of the questions are asked in the previous exams. You can check here. These are the answers for this practice paper. Then triangles, type of triangles, different type of questions. You can do the practice. All type of questions are here. These are the answers with hints. You can check this also. This is practice paper. Then coordinate geometry. Very short answer questions. Then short answer questions. Long answer questions. Answers of these all. And then at the last practice paper. Introduction to trigonometry. Where all type of questions are covered. Where mostly students face problem in introduction to trigonometry. So you can check the type of questions. All type of questions are here. Answers are also with hint. Then practice paper. Then some application of trigonometry chapter number 9. MCQ questions are given here. Different type of questions are covered. Most of the questions are covered here. So you can check this material. This definitely will help you for the final exam. Circles. All the type of questions are given here. It's very good material. You can check the solutions also. Where for difficult question they have given solutions. Practice paper. Then construction. Practice paper. Area related to circle. Now here you can check the type of questions. This full book, these notes of this full book are given here. So you can check these type of questions which are important. All the important concepts are covered here with answers. You can check the solutions also where you will face difficulty. Solutions are also given. You can check this. This is a practice paper. Then surface area volume. Surface area volume, all the type of questions are covered here with all type of questions. You can check this here. This practice paper, statistics, mean median mode, then different type of questions for this mean median mode. You can check this, all the type of question you can do, lot of practice here with the help of these all this material. Probability, here all the sample space, because here the most student face problem in these all sample space, so it is given here in the front of the introduction of the chapter that how you can do the practice and different type of questions, specific type of questions are given here, you can do the practice. So there are a lot of material this I am providing to you to help you to prepare for your final exams. These are the some papers also for basic with the solution. Practice 1, practice 2, you can check the solution also. Then for standard paper also given. Two papers for basics and two papers for standard. So this is the study material. Thank you for watching it.